Hello, today we're going to change out the wiper blades on a 1998 to 2003 Toyota Sienna. No tools are required for this job, but the rear tailgate wiper is a 17-inch, the passenger is an 18-inch, and the driver's is a 24-inch. When the old wiper is removed, we'll want to clean the glass using some glass cleaner to make sure we don't get any dirt and grit into the new wiper blades. Okay, we'll open the new wiper and get it ready to install. We'll have the new wiper and a small box of hardware. And the hardware in this case would be for other applications, but in our application the default bracket that we need is already installed on the wiper. Okay, we'll start by lifting up the wiper and cleaning the window. Now cleaning the window will keep the existing dirt from contaminating the new wiper blade. Not that it'd be too much of a problem because you're going to encounter dirt anyway. So we'll start with the rear wiper. We're just going to pull it away from the glass and rotate it down. And you just want to grab the wiper and pull down on the arm. And you'll find that there's a hoop here that catches the wiper and a little plastic tab. So the wiper just has this plastic tab that attaches to this hoop here, and then you just pull down and the wiper will disengage from that little loop right here. Here's a closer look at the hoop that retains the windshield wiper. It's important not to put the arm back on the glass because you might scratch or crack the glass, but the plastic clip that goes into that hoop can be seen here, and this just slides into the arm like so. So to remove the wiper, you just angle it up and you just pull down and then slide the wiper arm out like so. And you can see there's the little hook that retains the wiper, and there's the plastic tab there that engages the hook. And now we'll take the old wiper, grab it with two thumbs, pull it back, disengage the clip and slide it out. And we'll take the new wiper, slide the body inside the arm, push in the new clip, and then put it in place. Okay, and then we'll open up our two front wipers, the long 24-inch for the driver's side, and the shorter 18-inch for the passenger side. And again, the default clip that comes from the factory on these is the right one, the one we want to use. Okay, and the front wipers are very similar to the rear wipers. I'm going to pull the wiper arms up. We're going to make sure the parking area for the wipers is clean on the windshield, just to make sure there's no dirt getting caught in the new wipers. Take the wiper, pull it down to disengage it, pull out the old wiper, take the new wiper, slide the arm body into the wiper arm, and then just slide the new wiper into place. And put it in, and with the other wiper, grab it, pull it down, slide the wiper arm, or the wiper blade out of the arm, grab the new wiper, slide the blade under the arm, and engage the clip. Here it clip, and you're good to go. There we go. Job done. Thank you for watching.